ready to unlock the power of AI and create mind-blowing visuals for your projects. Let's dive into how to use Leonardo AI to generate stunning, smart images in just a few simple steps. First things first, head over to Leonardo and create your free account. The sign-up process is super easy, and you can even use your Google account for quick access. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now, take a look around the dashboard. You'll see a variety of options, including pre-trained AI models, perfect for different styles and needs. Spend some time browsing to get a feel for what's available. The magic happens in the AI image generation section. This is where you type in your prompt to describe the image you want in as much detail as possible. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. For example, you could type, a futuristic cityscape at sunset, neon lights, highly detailed. Before hitting generate, adjust your settings, choose the number of images you want to create, set the image dimensions, and play around with the guidance scale. This controls how closely the AI follows your prompt. A higher number means it'll stick closer to your description. Now click Generate. Leonardo AI will work its magic and create your images in seconds. If you like what you see, simply click the download button to save your iPod masterpiece. If not, tweak your prompt and try again. And that's it. By experimenting with different prompts, models, and settings, you'll be generating amazing AI images in no time. Get creative, have fun, and explore the endless possibilities of Leonardo AI.